Bitdefender just released a service that's perfectly tailored to keeping content creators safe, and today we're diving into it to see if it's worth it for you. Full disclosure, Bitdefender is sponsoring this video and they gave me 30 days of the service to use to try it out to see if it's good for you, but I'm putting my own money behind it now. I actually subscribed for the next year. Believe me when I tell you, it's just that good. My entire livelihood depends on one thing: this YouTube channel. It's a bit scary because I don't think that most creators realize how vulnerable this job really is. You started as a hobby and then things progress, and next thing you know you start making some money and then you've quit your day job, and all of this depends on you keeping your YouTube channel alive. And unfortunately, the easiest way for all of this to disappear is for you to get hacked. As your channel becomes more popular, scammers are going to try to gain access to it. It's inevitable. These hacking attempts range from phishing emails to scam sponsorship deals, and while some of them are pretty easy to spot, some of them are a little bit more sneaky, which has me paranoid. Well, I guess not maybe paranoid, but cautious. There's plenty of ways to secure your account, like two-factor authentication, secure password generators, and by all means, you should do these things. But what if none of that matters because you've actually already been hacked and you don't know it? Bitdefender is one of the most trusted names in cybersecurity, and when I was looking for ways to lock down my channel, their security for creators plan definitely stood out. Plus, they're running a sale right now and will give you your money back for 30 days if you don't like it, so I figured, what the heck, I'll try it out. The whole point of Bitdefender is to cover all of those vulnerable places that your two-factor authentication and stuff doesn't protect. First and foremost, this is a security tool that actually connects to your YouTube channel and monitors it for suspicious activity 24/7. One of the things that hackers will do if they gain access to your YouTube channel is they'll actually delete all of your old videos, change your profile picture and your name, upload a bunch of their own videos with bad links and scams in them, and then send all those out to your subscribers. Bitdefender will recognize this behavior, shut it down, and then guide you through the process of recovering your YouTube channel safely. But hopefully this never happens in the first place, and the first tool that they give you to prevent it is an antivirus that can scan your entire system for malware and let you know if you've already got a virus living in the background on your computer. It only took a couple of minutes, and thankfully my MacBook is totally clean, which, man, the peace of mind of just knowing that is priceless. Because believe me, back in the day when I was scraping by trying to download music from SoundCloud to edit my videos with, there were definitely some near misses. That brings us to their second protection feature, which is an extension called Traffic Light. Traffic Light filters your web content and makes sure that nothing you click on or download while you're working on a video is laced with a virus. What's particularly awesome about this is it's not going to slow down your editing process and make you spend 2 minutes scanning a file just to download it, but it will warn you when you're at risk. That said, if you happen to accidentally download a virus or ransomware, Bitdefender also installs an anti-ransomware tool that prevents any unauthorized applications from reading or editing files that you've protected on your drive. For Mac users, this also protects your Time Machine backups, which is really cool. Now, I mentioned this before, but one of the most dangerous places for you is actually your email inbox. I get dozens of emails every week asking for random product reviews of like skincare products and power banks, none of which actually apply to the content I create, so they're pretty obvious phishing emails. Bitdefender filters through all of these and gives you a heads up if any email contains potentially dangerous content or attachment. And if you're like me and you have way too many email accounts, don't worry, because you can link up to 25 here, which is more than enough even for me or for a team of people. Overall, the entire process of installing, activating, and using Bitdefender's security for creators was super fast and easy. I was actually pleasantly surprised by their user interface. Like, it's really easy to understand, there's no unnecessary fluff. It was definitely designed with creators in mind. It runs continuously in the background of your computer to keep you safe, but it hasn't slowed down my computer at all, and that's really important when you're working with big files and getting edits done on a timely fashion. Also, if you're a bigger creator, congratulations, good work, but you probably have a team and you're going to want to protect them too, so you can add up to 4 other people onto your plan and they'll all have the same amount of protection as you. Depending upon how many team members you want to add, you can also add up to 25 devices and emails, so 5 per person. Currently, each account can only monitor 1 YouTube channel though, which is pretty disappointing because especially when you get to the bigger numbers, you've likely got multiple channels. On the plus plus side, they are adding coverage for Instagram and Facebook soon, which will be great when I actually get around to making my Instagram account. For what you get, I have to say Bitdefender's pricing is insanely reasonable. I mean, I don't really want them to hear this, but I would probably pay a lot more for it, just because the peace of mind of knowing that my main source of income is protected is virtually priceless. Currently, they have a big sale going. I don't know if it's still going while you're watching this video, but typically you can subscribe for $30 a month, which equals $360 a year, with that price stepping up if you need to add more seats for extra team members or more devices. I went so long without this level of security for my YouTube channel, and believe me, I know it's like not a fun purchase to make, but trust me when I say the peace of mind of having it is incredible. So if you're serious about YouTube and you're making money from it, I think it's more than a worthy investment. Get your devices protected. But if you want to know about some other softwares that I think you need to use and every creator needs to use, you should watch this video up over here where I go over them in detail.